Maybe you should start a YouTube
that
channel.
again.
I feel like people would love to watch you do that.
Joe's way more like charismatic than I am.
We are backstage at the Ottolinger Spring Summer 22 show in Paris, and I'm here with the makeup team backstage. Oh my God, you're making me laugh. Anyway. So I've known the Ottolinger girls for a few years now. They're amazing. I love their clothes. I buy a lot of their clothes. I feel like they're the zeitgeist, especially in a fashion sense and also an aesthetic sense. They were like pioneered this weird crisscross cutout stuff years ago, and I just love working with them because they're just cool girls and we always do a cool look for the show. They kind of love glossiness, they love texture, and they're also really lovely. We're backstage with the team and today we're working with Byredo products to create the looks. We'll be working with the Prismic palette, the Metal Boots and the Snow palette, and also a colour stick called Source, which is like a really shimmery orange, to create 3 different, quite sort of organic, beautiful eyeshadow looks. And then we'll be finishing with a really beautiful dewy skin. We'll achieve that using the Vienna colour stick, which just creates a really nice kind of like dewy feel, and then we'll be finishing with really well brushed brows and a little bit of Amber and Furs, which is one of our new summery shades, which creates a really lovely like luminous lip glow. So for Lola's look, we are using the Metal Boots and the Snow palette, and this is the really lovely kind of beetly khaki that goes really nicely with the green tones in the outfit. So we're just sweeping that across her lids. We've got the Vienna highlighter on the cheekbones, and then we've got a little bit of balm and some highlighter just on her lips.